What's going on, guys? It's currently pretty cold out. Not as cold as yesterday. Yesterday was like literally 5 degrees. Today I'm just really gonna review my coilovers and my thoughts about them. I'm gonna do a little bit of an edit. But first things first, I really need to wash my car because my car is really salty. And I don't really want to do an edit when my car is all salty. So I'm gonna go do that right now. So I'll be right back. It's been like, really cold lately in some states, and literally this is all like ice right now. And like this wall's frozen, and I'm gonna eat shit doing this. I know it. I should have just gone through the automatic, but my car's a little too low to go through the automatic now, so I can't. I don't think you guys want to watch me clean my car, so I'll be right back. I was gonna do a little thing of me driving the car out of here, but there's a lot of people driving around this parking lot for some reason, so I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, that was cold. It's very cold outside. So I'm actually gonna be really weird and like not dry my car off because one, it's winter, so I don't really think I'll get too many water spots from it. But I kind of want it wet for the purpose of the edit because I think it looks kind of cool. But yeah, so I'm not gonna dry it off. I'm probably gonna regret not drying it off. It's probably either gonna freeze or it's gonna make water spots or something, because that's just my luck. So I'm just gonna head to a spot. I don't really know where. I'm gonna head to a spot. I want to try to do a different scenery. I want something kind of cool. The last place I did the edit, I could go to, but I don't know if you guys really want to see that place again. So I'm gonna try to find a new spot. So bear with me. I'm gonna go try to find something. Found some empty parking lot-ish. I mean, there's some cars around, and there's a car coming right now, but it's empty-ish. So I'm just gonna do all my editing and talking back here, I guess. So let's get started on that. So I'm currently like on a hill, so it's not gonna really show how low I really am. But pretty much these coilovers I'm in love with right now. I do want to go a little bit lower. It's kind of hard to see on pictures I've been taking, but it's pretty like, the gap isn't really there. When you lower it down, your backs are going to camber a little bit. So there's a lot of gap there now. Let's see. It's gonna camber. It's just something I guess it does, unless you get camber bolts to fix that. And then the fronts, I mean, they're relatively flush too, but again, I do want to go a little bit lower just to get that fitment, but it's been super cold, so I don't feel like ripping off my tire. But I mean, the front, you can see how low it is now. When I had it stock ride height, I want to say the bottom was probably right here. So I probably lowered it a good 1.5 to 2 inches. And I do like how it looks. Spring rates and everything, like it just drives so much better now. It's a little bit stiffer. You feel that you are lower, and it just feels really good. They say you feel a lot of bumps. You don't really feel the bumps more. I think it actually feels better than the stock struts, to be completely honest. And I'm really upset looking at my car that's already covered in salt, and I literally washed it like an hour ago. Oh man, oh well. All in all, Tien Street Faces Z's, I would strongly recommend. They feel great. I like everything about them. I'm gonna get to do my edit now. This video is gonna be very short. I understand that. I want to work on my editing a little bit here too with this, so I'm gonna do my little edit, and then I'll probably do some more talking. And just some advice: when you decide to go low, realize how low you're going and don't fall into old driving habits. I was in a parking lot where usually there's a really low curb that any car could clear, and I didn't know I couldn't clear it. So I'm gonna show you. So this side looks like this, and then this side, I mean, I don't even know if the camera will be able to pick it up. It's really little, but you can see I banged it up right here pretty good. And this is what it should look like. So definitely know what you're doing when you're driving now, because I've cleared just so many times in this car and other cars, and now that I'm a little bit lower, I hit it, and it kind of sucked because I damaged my bumper a little bit. I'm gonna go to Dunkin', you know, to refill my caffeine. And they have a really high like drive-through window, and I haven't been through it since my car's been lowered. I'm just curious of how like much lower I am to the window now. Since I'm in the Dunkin' Donuts drive-through, I'm just gonna say I was gonna make a special episode video for this, but I never got around to thinking of what to do. I just want to say thank you guys for 100 subscribers. It's not a big accomplishment to a lot of people, but I honestly didn't think I would hit 100. I thought I either would have quit or I don't know, but 100 to me is a really big milestone. That means I am 10% to my goal for the year. And by the end of 2019, I want to have 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Is it going to happen? I don't know. I would like it to happen. That's just my goal for 2019 is to get 1,000 subscribers. And I think at this rate, we might be able to reach it. You guys have been very supportive. If you guys could share my videos, like my videos, comment, just because like all that stuff, you know, affects algorithm and stuff to make my videos more popular and makes other people able to access my channel. So if you guys could just like, you know, share them, like them, comment, do all that, I would really appreciate it. And let's hit 1,000 by the end of the year. I think we really can do it. I think it'd be a really cool milestone for me. I never thought YouTube would do anything. So, you know, if I actually get to 1,000 subscribers, I can actually consider myself like doing YouTube as a living or something like that. So let's get to 1,000, guys. Help me out here. And let's hope for a good year this year. I hope this is an okay angle for this. I hope you guys could actually see that. I was like almost not able to reach the window there. I said this in my unboxing video, but I never got to say it in my actual install video. I was super stressed out during that whole install, so it was taking a lot longer than I thought. Make sure you have a friend when you're installing it. Just makes it a little bit easier. Make sure you have your research done, all your tools, because I think the 2017 models, they did change up the pieces a little bit on the top hat, because I didn't know you needed something to get rid of a lock nut. So that was like something that I just didn't know. So they might have changed it a little bit from year to year. I'm not sure. Just make sure you do your research. Hopefully you can use my video as a guide to, you know, learn how to do it. Though I'm not too low, I really do enjoy how it drives now. It drives a lot better than stock. Honestly, it feels smoother, if that makes any sense. I can make it. There's a really cool Challenger behind me. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Overall, I got these from purejdm.live. Check them out. I have a discount code. It's TTR-BRZ. I would totally advise going there. I got them for $450, which is it's a good deal, because usually I think the FT86 sells them for a lot more. So yeah, make sure you check them out. They got your JDM part needs. And if you guys honestly want anything on that website, let me know. I can contact them and I'll try to get it on there for you. They're a smaller company, they're growing, but spot on service and everything. I'm sorry this video is probably very boring. Hopefully it was a little bit informational, educational, whatever you want to say. I just didn't, I wanted to review them, and my review for them is they're fantastic. Just have a friend help you, because it took me a total of 5 hours to install them. I say 9 because 3 of those 5 hours, or 3 of the 9 hours, I was looking for like parts and tools and stuff. So like, I don't know. I have more parts I'm gonna be buying soon enough. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what the parts are, because I had a poll on there. So I'm not gonna tell you guys on here what it is, because you guys should follow my Instagram, TTR_BRZ. In my end card, it always shows it too. Yeah, so I have more parts that are gonna be ordered and coming soon. So hopefully next week I have another unboxing video for you guys to show what the parts are. Then the following week I'll do another install video, and I'll probably do another review on them. And then it's gonna start getting warm soon. And then I'm probably gonna start saving for my wheels. And then I'm gonna be living in Florida. we got some changes coming, boys. All right, guys. This video is probably really short. I'm sorry, but peace out, guys. keep doing you. I need to think of something to start saying, you know, when I peace out, just to get some consistency out there. Because I don't know what to say. Peace out, guys. Keep doing what you do, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.